Is this the ultimate Nintendo Switch controller? Yes, what's good people? Tech Jamo, we're out here with a new controller for the Nintendo Switch. This one is from BinBok. It's a bit awkward actually because BinBok shouted me and they were like, I want you to review this controller. And then they got back to me 2 days later and said, oh, you don't get enough views so you can't review it. But here's a discount code if you want to buy it anyway. So I bought it. It is what it is kind of thing. Let's see if it's actually worth any of the stress that they were trying to give, man. Okay, so unbox this thing. On the back, it seems promising though. Apart from all these other third-party controllers, they usually have a mad pairing process, even the 8-bit do controllers. However, this just says connect it to the Nintendo Switch like a normal Joycon would be. It will be fun to see whether it's as easy as it thinks it's gonna be. Okay, man got a little Joycon connector thing, you know what I deal. We got a little USB-C to USB-A cable, standard procedure. 2.2 welcome manual, instruction manual and thing like that. Box, pretty much done really. Guys, this is looking mad. Fam, look at this. Whoa, these are looking mad. Have a look at these guys. What, they got the see-through thing going on. These are kind of like a controller that I bought from Hori, the Hori Split Pad Pro. I was using those for quite a while on my Switch actually, but the only problem with them that they weren't wireless, but those did feel the best for the Nintendo Switch. These feel just like them, except they're wireless apparently. Anyway, let's get it tested. Alright, we are on change grip and order, so I'm gonna slide on the first one. Let's see how it goes. Oh. Okay, slide on this one. I mean, R1 and L1, they feel a bit spongy. They don't have that click that you get from the normal Joy-Cons. For example, this is a normal Joy-Con, yeah? You hear that click in it? Now hear these now. You see, I mean, it works, but it's just, I prefer more of a click when I'm pressing my shoulder buttons, but I guess they do the job. Right stick, left stick feels okay. Yeah, not too bad in terms of the clickicity. And we've got some customizable controllers. Ooh, those are very clicky on the back as well, so those will be interesting to use. Fam, I'm digging the design. I'm not going to lie, I am feeling the design. I wonder if I can get this to change to any different colors. Can I just say, the way they've done the instructions is bare mad, yeah? So instead of doing English section, German section, French section, whatever section, they've gone English, German, French, Spanish, whatever. English, German, French, Spanish, or whatever. Right, so there's a little T button on the back here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And you can press the stick in and it will change color. Just like that. Mad. It's almost impossible to do it with one hand because the T button is so recessed into this hole that it's hard for you to press. So you definitely can't press it accidentally, but yeah, it's just hard for you to change. But yeah, that is a possibility, I guess. I think man might leave it on. Ooh, what's this, like a multicolour thing? Yeah. Look at the multicolour thing though. Do you know what? I feel how it's all transparent. I actually feel that it kind of reminds me of the Nothing earbuds. I feel it. I can't even lie. I actually feel it. Let me try and play some Smash Bros. See if it's possible. The vibration does feel good though. Can't lie. I mean, obviously it's not on the levels of like HD, but it's definitely a strong vibration, I would say. Alright, so I've had a little gaming session and do you know what? Man is not mad at these BinBok controllers. Although BinBok don't rate me myself, I'm not mad at their controllers. I played some Pokemon, played some Doom, played a bit of Smash Bros, played some Mario Kart, and throughout all of those games, the thing remained responsive. It remained connected. Man had no issues like that whatsoever, and whilst playing it for like an hour or two, the thing was very comfy, more comfy than the Joy-Cons can ever hope to be without a grip. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, which I only literally just realized, is that these actually wake up the Switch from sleep, and I've never seen any third-party controllers that can do that, apart from obviously the first-party Nintendo Joy-Cons. And yo, that's lit. I can now not have to walk over to my Switch and turn it on directly from these third-party controllers. And I don't know, I'll be pressed to see if you guys can find me any other third-party controllers for the Nintendo Switch which also work with the wake up function. Things that annoyed me, the vibration. It's so loud and annoying. I'm gonna cut to some footage of this thing just making so much noise while it's vibrating. Like, I don't know what going for that vibration mode. Even if you turn it down to the lowest setting, it's still making that annoying hum noise. Other than that, controls feel, I think, I'd say about standard. It's not the clickiest pad, apart from obviously the start button, the home button, the minus button, and the, what's it called, screenshot button. Everything else feels a bit spongy. It's a bit meh. The lights are kind of cool, but it would be better if it lit up the whole this side of the controller and the whole of this side of the controller instead of two little tiny lights around the analog sticks. But yeah, I guess it's okay for a controller, literally just because of the ease of connectivity to your Nintendo Switch. I don't know if I would recommend more than 30 bar for this thing, because I think they're selling it for like 50 or 65 bar. But yeah, that's it. The BinBok Joy-Con controllers. If you're looking for a bigger grip, your sausage finger gang, then yeah, this thing might be for you, fam. But as always, guys, thank you for watching. And if you're feeling this type of content, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and maybe leave a comment, fam. Let me know what you're saying for the controller itself. And hopefully, man will catch you in the next one. All right.